Hi everybody, I've got back today my 3D printed FTR oil filler that I designed in Fusion 360 and sent off to 3D People for printing about 10 days ago, and it's just come back. It's really impressive, the quality on it. I made my own top for it with a thread, which I'm just going to show you. It's probably a bit too fine actually, could do with a coarser thread, but the quality of the threads is phenomenal. It's beautifully made. I put a chamfer on the top for the O-ring to sit inside, and there'll be an O-ring based around the bottom of the lid just there, so that'll keep it oil tight. The idea is that the oil enters here through a fitting, it travels around the inside of this housing and then drops down into the actual FTR sump in the gearbox. I fitted a spiral on the inside as well, which will actually help the oil as it flows through to find the direction and drop into the sump. Yeah, very pleased. There's a little hole in the top as well. That's going to have a small pneumatic air hose fitting screwed into it, and that'll be the breather pipe for the oil sump. Yeah, incredible. I'm just drawing what to do next. I need to get it 3D printed in metal, ideally. Whether I go for aluminium or titanium, I don't know yet. To be honest, I reckon that would probably do the job, just fitting that on the gearbox by itself. It's very good.